make someone happy, make someone laugh, and then you eventually find that ikaw din na-uplift. So, I think it's parang the general rule na maski sa pagmamahal, when you love someone, when you, for example, spread kindness, that in itself, it's reward. It makes you feel good. It gumaganda, tumitingkad yung mga kulay, gumaganda yung tunog ng music. Kahit na wala pang nag-reciprocate. So that in itself is a gift na. So yun, parang kindness. And kindness and loving others, it's its own reward. Tapos swerte na lang pag they love you back.
Thank you. Yes. Malulungkot ngayong season?
Well, I think there is nothing wrong sa pagiging malungkot because all emotions are valid. And it is something that we have to acknowledge.
In this kasi.
It's something we have to acknowledge. But I would also want to encourage everyone that even our sorrow and our pains are transitory. They're not permanent. So, it's something na lilipas din. We should only be able to help ourselves also to move on from that. And, ayan. So, yun, kailangan na din tulungan natin yung mga sarili natin. And every pain and every sorrow that we feel, meron silang purpose. And yun lang, I believe that we should always surround ourselves with people that will uplift our spirits and